got myself some tea here. This is green tea and lemon tea combined into one drink. And before this, I had some ginger root, which I was going to add to the tea, but you're supposed to like cut it up and kind of crush up the ginger root, and then you can add it to your tea. But I just ate some of that, and now I'm drinking some of this. But yeah, the doodle that I'm doing here is with the rotring 0.35 as usual. Although I obviously do draw with other pens. It's just the rotrings happen to be, well, the Stalers for a while was the one I was drawing with. I had to fix some issues that I was having with the rotrings, and it's working now, so I've been doing a lot more doodles with it. But I've always taken very good care of my health, and I'm always drinking tea and ginger root and everything, and garlic and all this stuff to keep me healthy. I eat lots of vegetables. I eat fruit, but I don't eat that much fruit. And I drink lots of water, and I drink milk. Other than lots of vegetables, healthy meat, a little bit of fruit, lots of water, and milk, there's not really anything else that I eat outside of that. Every once in a while, maybe once a month, I'll have some pizza, but nothing else really. I like the feeling of sitting here with a nice warm cup of tea. And it's the evening time. The sun is going down and it's really quiet. It's been kind of strangely quiet the past week. I don't know, it seems like there's not really been any cars going up and down the road at all. And I don't really know why, because this is any and all times of the day. It's like, where is everybody? I guess they're just not really driving around, but I'm going to go ahead and drink some more of this tea and make some more doodles. So if you've got any questions or anything you'd like to ask me or know, just comment down below. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to make some more doodles, and I will see you in the next doodle video. And I'll try to make more of these, although I am uploading more frequent. I had a 2-month break there from uploading for a while, but I'm back to making more doodles, and hope you have a great day. Let me know in the comments below what type of tea that you prefer to drink. Green tea, lemon, ginger, and we can talk about that. But until then, you have a good day, and I'll see you later.